Water backing up into your sink is one of the most annoying things ever, but you can totally fix it yourself if you know what to do. So first off, if your sink is draining slow or water is just sitting there, you probably got a clog somewhere downstream in the pipes. You want to start by using a plunger, like for real. Seal the drain and give it some good pumps to try and push that clog through. If that does not work, grab a drain snake or auger and carefully feed it down the pipe to break up whatever's stuck. Another thing to check is your vent pipes on the roof, because if those are blocked, the water will have nowhere to go and back up into your sink. You can sometimes clear vent pipes yourself by using a garden hose to flush them out or poking through with a plumber's snake from the top. Also, avoid pouring grease or coffee grounds down your sink because they build up and cause clogs faster than you think. And whenever you use your garbage disposal, run plenty of cold water to help flush everything down smoothly. Finally, if you notice gurgling sounds or slow drains in other parts of your house too, it might be time to call a pro before things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water backing up in their sink is ignoring slow drainage, thinking it will clear itself. It usually does not, and the clog gets worse. Fix that by taking action early with plungers or drain snakes. Another common issue is neglecting blocked vent pipes. Lots of folks forget these vents let air in so water flows right, so clean them out regularly to avoid backup. Lastly, people often pour grease or food scraps down the drain, which just leads to nasty clogs. Instead, throw those in the trash or compost and save yourself headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix problems like clogged sinks right the first time. Plus, if you are a contractor, it connects you with real clients looking for your skills so you can grow your business without wasting time.